How to fix Instagram filter not working problem solved. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix your Instagram filter not working. So guys, before starting the videos, I would like to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll get a more informative videos every day. So guys, what you need to do, make sure that uh, s- um, your Instagram is updated from Google Play Store. So here you can see what you have to do. You have to just make sure that your Instagram is updated. And also the second thing is, let me just get inside it and let me just click on this. And then here you can see we can find the stickers, filters. So guys, make sure the main problem is for the internet connection or Wi-Fi. So here you can see my network is off, but let me just on my network here. And then after if it is a good network connection, then I am 110% sure that this will help for you. But if it is not working, again, if your network connection is bad also but also not working, then what you can do here is very pretty simple. You just need to go to your phone settings here, whether it is iOS or Android. You have to simply go to your phone settings, and in iOS you have to go to your apps dop, and let me just go to app management on Android, and let me just go to app list. So now here what you have to do, simply search for Instagram. Here it is. So here what you need to do, you just need to do a single step, that is force stop button. You can see here force stop. You have to simply click on force stop and you have to stop the first. And after doing this, I am 110% sure this problem will be solved, guys. And if the problem doesn't work, then make sure that your system is updated from your software updates. Your software of your system is updated one. So after doing this, just restart your phone and retry it, and make sure that your internet is well and perfect for the connection. So I hope this video will absolutely help you out. And also guys, do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll get a more informative videos. Thanks for watching.